Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to install RtAudio on a Raspberry Pi. So we're just going to do an update. And I'll throw all the links in the I'll throw a link in the description to my website for all this information here, so you don't have to type it all out by hand. So we're going to go ahead and make sure we have a few things installed. And I believe I'm going to add one more dependency to this just to be safe. I think that we need. So after that, we are going to do a wget command and download the software. Then we can tar this guy. Then what we can do now is CD into it. Then if we do an ls, we're going to run a configure command here. And we'll just let that go. I have my taskbar set on to hide, and for some reason it don't want to hide, so now it makes things a little harder. But anyway, next thing we need to do is make a directory for build. Then we'll CD into that guy. Then we can do a cmake .. / and we'll let that run. We'll clear that. Then we can do a make. Alright, I got my taskbar freed up, so let's just go ahead and do a make. This will take about a minute. Alright, so now that that's done, we'll clear that. So we did a cmake and a make. So now let's do a sudo make install. Now what we are going to do now is we want to test this out. So we're going to cd into the test directory. Then we can do a .. play sol 2 at 48,000. Now I'm not going to let this play long because it's loud. Alright, so right there you can see it's transmitting some audio. It's playing some audio, so we should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'll throw a link in the description to for these commands. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one, and stay tuned.